Hi, my name is Shreesh, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Harrier paper airplane. Also, first you get A4 paper like this. It's okay if it's plain or not. And then you fold it by the long side this way. You fold it in half. So you have a crease. So fold it. Fold it. Really, it's better if you make it well. Otherwise, it won't come out that well. I know. Yeah, I've learned from experience. So this might take a little time, putting the corners on top of the corners. So sometimes, if you're not so good, you might need someone to help you do this part. But otherwise, you can just flatten it with your elbow. So after this step is done, you unfold it, and there you go. There's your line in the middle. Then you fold one triangle onto the middle, and then you fold the other triangle onto the middle. There, that's a good paper. That's a good start. That's a good start. And if you want, and you're a perfectionist like me, a bit, you just do this, like these tiny corners, you just put them together. But then now it gets a little different from a normal paper airplane. Instead of just doing something like you would always do, like folding it like that, you don't. You fold it backwards. You fold it backwards until you get like a little far, and the distance is the same. So you do this. There you go. And then you fold it back up. Like this. Straighten it. See, there's your crease. So you fold on top of the crease. My theory is, whenever you're making a triangular thing like this, you should almost always have a crease. Unless you don't need to be perfect. But you surely have to be perfect in this. After you do this, just fold it. Then you fold it up. This part, you need to have a little triangle poking out here. So you put it like this on top. And right in the middle of both of them. And then you can do this, which is okay. I usually do this. Make the wings like okay, like this. Put it like this, put it like this. In the end, if it doesn't turn out, it's like right, like this, see? This part, it's okay. All you have to do now is fold down the wings. I usually suggest something like this.
Can you do that again?
Suggest something like this.
Sweet, do it, let's flatten it. Okay,
You bring it down, and like so the whole of this part until here is just facing down. And then the other wing, same thing. Do that. And then, see, that's your Harrier. And you let it go. Yeah, that's the Harrier. And wait, one more thing. Harriers, they're all different types of them. Some of my Harriers go and do a loop-de-loop and come back. Others just turn. And some like this one go straight. And you don't know what they're going to do.